Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Square customer data into CRM, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Square account through a web browser. Navigate to the Customers tab on the left-hand menu. From the Customers page, click on Export. Choose the format you prefer for your data, such as CSV or Excel. Click on the Export button to download the file. Once downloaded, locate the file on your computer. Next, log into your CRM platform in a new tab. Find the section in your CRM for importing customer data. Select the option to import or upload a new file. Upload the Square customer data file you downloaded earlier. Map the fields in your Square data to the corresponding fields in your CRM. Make sure to review the mapping for accuracy. After confirming the mappings, initiate the import process. Wait for the CRM to process the data, which may take a few moments. Once the import is complete, you should see a confirmation message. Check your CRM's customer list to ensure the data has been successfully imported. If necessary, perform any final adjustments or data cleansing in your CRM. Your Square customer data is now integrated into your CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.